In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly import older transactions into Monarch Money. Whether you're just getting started or revisiting some past financial activity, understanding how to manually add these transactions is a tremendous help. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to make your way over to the Monarch Money platform by navigating to their website. Logging in will bring you straight to your personalized dashboard where you can get a clear overview of your finances. Now, to import your older transactions, start by clicking on the Add Transactions button. It should be prominently displayed on your transaction page, allowing you to initiate the manual entry process smoothly. Once you're ready to input data, begin by typing in the transaction amount. Make sure this figure accurately reflects the transaction you're adding. It's crucial for maintaining precise financial records. Next, you'll need to type in the merchant's name. This is particularly helpful for easily identifying the purpose of a transaction later on, so make sure you spell everything correctly. Now, selecting the date is an important part of this process. Click on the date field, typically set to the current date, and adjust it accordingly to reflect when the transaction originally occurred. This ensures the transaction is accurately logged in the timeline of your financial activities. Moving on, you will now need to choose the appropriate category for your transaction. Monarch Money provides various predefined categories, and selecting the correct one will help you track spending trends more effectively. After you've chosen a category, it's equally important to link the transaction to a specific goal, if applicable. This step allows you to see how individual transactions affect your larger financial objectives. Adding notes can be a really useful feature here. If there's any extra detail or context you want to remember about this transaction, jotting it down in the notes section can be invaluable for your future self, providing clarity when reviewing past entries. Once you have all the details meticulously entered, go ahead and click again on the Add Transactions button. This action will save the transaction you've just entered, making it officially part of your financial records within Monarch Money. To ensure everything is in order, click on the transaction you've just created. At this point, you have the option to add attachments, such as a receipt image or any supporting document, which can be extremely helpful for record keeping and accountability purposes. And that wraps up our step-by-step guide on how to import older transactions into Monarch Money. We hope this walkthrough was straightforward and that you now feel confident managing your past transactions. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tips on managing your finances efficiently. Thank you for watching.